is differentiable at a point. Yes, 11th स्टैंडर्ड में फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल था ना. Of course, on real valued function we are talking about. Real valued function. First of all, when do we say a function is differentiable? F is differentiable at say E when, and it is f dash of A is equal to what? Limit h tending to 0 f of E plus h minus f of E upon h, correct? Do you see? This was the definition of first principle definition of differentiability, correct? And if you put this, if you substitute x equal to E plus h, then this will become what? This will be f dash of E, and what will be your h? It will be h is what? X minus A. As h tends to 0, your x will tend to A, correct? So here this limit h tending to 0, this will become limit x tending to E. This will be f of E plus s, that means f of x minus f of E upon x minus A. Okay, so what do you see? Have you seen something like this? Have you seen something like this? What is that? Yes, what is that? Something like this is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Is there something like that? What is this thing? Ten standard, 9 standard. What is this thing? This is slope, na? Slope of a line passing through 2 points, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. I hope you remember this is the definition of slope, correct? So this thing is also same जो भी ये है, but the extra term is limit extending to a. Let us forget about this first, and let us see graphically what is the meaning of f dash of a. What is the meaning of a derivative of a function at e graphically, as our main focus used to be on graphically. Suppose this is a function and this is your e, and here is your f of a, correct? So this point will be e comma f of a. Okay, now there are two ways. I can take my x this side or I can take my x this side, correct? If I take my x this side, so let me just change the color. If I take my say x here, suppose this is my x, so what will be the limit? Something यहाँ पे कुछ आएगा, and the point will be x comma f of x, correct? Yes. And what do you want to find? You want to find slope between them. You are having 2 point, and that is you are trying to make a straight line, and you are trying to find the slope of this line. Okay, same my x can be here also. My x can be here also, so then here you will be x comma f of x, this x is here, then your straight line will be something like this. ऐसा कुछ. What do you see? Okay, so do just, I'm considering only this one, so forget about this guy. Okay, so now you are having 2 points on the graph. What are the 2 points? X comma f of x, e comma f of a. Can you find slope between them? What is slope? F of x minus f of e upon x minus a, correct? What if I am taking my x much closer to a? If my x is here, then what? Then what will be your slope? It will be something like this. ऐसा कुछ तो आएगा. What if I am taking much closer to a? Something like this. What if I am almost close to a, almost near to a? Then it will be, do you see that it will be just a line which is just touching the curve, I think. It will be something like this. 2 points will be here only. So it will be just touching the curve. This is your curve, and the straight line will be just touching the curve. So if I just draw it properly, then it will be like this. Say this is E, and say this is your graph. Here will be your f of a. So what is my derivative actually? Derivative will be, your x will be near to that, almost near to that, not equal to a. So it will be 2 points will be here only. If you draw a straight line, it will be just touching your curve. So actually derivative का meaning ही यही होता है. F dash of a means what? Slope of tangent. Do you know what is tangent? When a straight line touches at your curve at some point, so you say that straight line is called tangent, correct? So do you see यहाँ पे क्या किया हम लोगों ने? Your x was having two options, either it can come from this side or it can come from this side. If it is coming from this side, then you will say left derivative. If it is coming from this side, then you will say right derivative. So it is something like this. P plus बोलता हूँ माइनस. Okay. See f dash of e, अगर मैं माइनस बोलता हूँ, that means I am coming from left hand side. So I am coming from where? From this to this guy. From x to e, such that f of x. And if I am coming from plus, then I am coming from this side. I am coming from this side to a. Okay. So I want to consider both the things. So I'll just put limit x tending to a. X tending to a means what? Mod of x minus a is less than delta. We'll write the definition later on. Let us skip that part first and write what is this limit x tending to a. F of x. It is f of x minus f of e upon x minus a. So now we understood that graphically what is the meaning of derivative. What do you mean by f dash of a? ठीक है, अभी ये तो ठीक है. Can you give me a function which is continuous but not differentiable? Or first of all, let us see whether differentiability implies continuity or continuity implies differentiability. Which of them is true? What is your guess? Since you have already done in your 11th and 12th standard, so there should not be any guess. There should be a proper answer. Differentiability implies continuity or continuity implies differentiability, or both the things are same. Okay, and continuity is not imply differentiability, correct? So this is wrong. This is false. If it is false, then can you give me a function which is continuous but not differentiable? Give me a function which is continuous but not differentiable. Can you give me? Mod x. So f of x equal to mod x. At which point you are saying that it is not differentiable? Yes. Mod x is at x equal to 0. Perfect. Okay. So let us quickly draw the graph of mod x. Can you quickly tell me what is the graph of mod x? You have to first redefine the function. So f of x equal to mod x को redefine कब किया? If your x is greater than equal to 0, then answer is x. If your x is negative, then answer is minus x. Correct? यही है ना? If you redefine the function. So when it is positive side, तो graph is y equal to x, something like this. When it is negative side, then graph is like this. Okay? And you'd like to find tangent at this point. Tangent means what? You need to find a straight line which is touching at that point. Can you find a straight line? Do you see this x-axis is also touching? So x-axis is a tangent for me. Is that clear? But you already know हम लोग ने लिमिट में किया है. If limit exists, then it must be unique. If this value exists, if limit का value exist होता है, then it must be unique. There should not be कि limit का value दो अलग अलग लोग हैं. Here, do you see? When your x-axis is already a tangent, can I give one more tangent? Can I give you this as a tangent? Because this is also touching at that point. Correct? Can I give this guy also as a tangent? Because what is the condition of the tangent? Tangent का definition क्या होता है? It is just it should touch at your point. So they are touching. They are not touching anywhere else. They are just touching at that point, at the origin. Do you see? And if I say all the straight line which are passing from origin, they are the tangent for this. So is the limit unique here? Is the limit unique here? I am able to find so many tangent. So graphically, to check differentiability, you should make sure that there should not be any edge. And around in 2003 or 2002, one more definition of differentiability came when this computer system was developing. Then they said that if you want to check differentiability at some point, suppose you are having this as a point, if you want to check differentiability, to zoom in, zoom this point, zoom करो, बहुत ही zoom करो. What will you see at this point? Zoom it again. After some time you will realize that this point, at this point it will be just a straight line. I am zooming this part. At this point I would like to find, zoom करो इसको, और zoom करो, और zoom करो. Then after some time you will, if you take this part, then you will see that it is around a straight line. Do you see? और अगर थोड़ा width कम किया तो it will just give you a straight line. So when this computer system थोड़ा सा develop हुआ, तो they give a different definition of differentiability. What is that? If you want to check differentiability at a point, after some time it should be just a straight line. It should look like it is a straight line. It is not at all a curve. But do you see in this case, if you zoom this part, what will you get? You will get like this. Correct? If you zoom this part again you will get the same. at this point I want, because if you go this side the value is this, and if you go this side it is value is this. Again if you zoom this, you will never get a straight line. Do you see? Correct? Do you see that? So from this graphically conclusion you can say that if you find any edge, then your function is not differential at that point. As simple as that. By looking at graph you can clearly say if you see some edge anywhere, then function is not differentiable at that point. Correct? So let me just, you suppose I am having a function like this, and it is having a like this, and here also a edge, here also edge, and यहाँ पे नहीं देता हूँ मैं, something like this. Correct? So to check differentiability of this function, I can say that this function is differential everywhere except at edge. यहाँ पे एक edge है, and यहाँ पे एक edge है, यहाँ पे एक edge है. Do you see that? और क्यों मतलब डिफरेंशियबल नहीं होता है? आई हैव गिवन यू टू थिंग्स. वन, अगर ग्राफ ये इधर से देखा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम से, after zooming after some time you will see that if it was differentiable, though after some time you will get a straight line, but here it will never be a straight line. Or one more case you can say that there are infinitely many slopes for that point, there are infinitely many straight line, there are infinitely many tangent. सो टेंजेंट ही इतना हो गया तो मतलब कितने स्लोप्स होंगे? स्लोप ज़्यादा हुआ मतलब ये लिमिट जो है स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, इट इज़ नॉट यूनिक. करेक्ट? इट इज़ जस्ट इट शुड हैव अ यूनिक टेंजेंट. इफ इट इज़ नॉट, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल. इज दैट क्लियर? मतलब ग्राफिकली समझ रहा है डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है एंड हाउ टू डू. एंड अभी तक हम लोग ने ये ग्राफिकली ही प्रूव किया कि दिस इज़ नॉट डिफरेंशियल बाय लुकिंग एट कि देर आर सो मेनी टेंजेंट फॉर दिस, सो देयर विल बी सो मेनी स्लोप का वैल्यू और लिमिट का वैल्यू डिफरेंट रहेगा. दैट इज ग्राफिकल डेफिनेशन. करेक्ट? नाउ let us prove this function is not differentiable. F of x equal to x when x is greater than equal to 0, and it is minus x when x is less than equal to 0. What do you see the definition क्या है लिमिट का? Limit extending to e f of x minus f of a, differentiability का definition, upon x minus a, this is equal to f dash of a. Correct? This is the only definition we you know. Correct? And you know one more thing, जब भी तुम्हें लिमिट सॉल्व करना है and if your function is breaked into some part, see function is different when your x is positive and it is different when x is negative. So you have to take two cases, that is you have to get limit x tending to 0 plus, and you have to take one more thing, that is limit x tending to 0 minus. Correct? When will you take x tending to 0 plus, what will you get here? This will be your f of x. f of x लिखता हूँ, and this is f of 0 upon x minus 0. And what will be this? X tending to 0 minus, it will be again f of x minus f of 0 upon x minus 0. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे? 0 प्लस मीन्स व्हाट? फंक्शन का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 0 plus matlab I am coming from positive side. Positive side means what? I am coming from this side. I am coming towards 0 from this side. So here everybody is x. So उसमें definition क्या है? Function का x value है. So f of x is equal to x. So at this place I'll be putting x minus what is f of 0? You already know f of 0 is 0 upon x. So that is 1. But what about this? When you are coming from negative side, your function is minus x. You see? So it is minus x minus 0 upon x. So answer is minus 1. So अगर तुम्हारा लेफ्ट लिमिट और राइट लिमिट ही सेम नहीं आ रहा है तो व्हाट डू यू से? What do we say? Limit does not exist, na? In your semester 1 we saw this only. To check whether limit exists or not, you have to find, we have to check matlab from both the side limit exists or not. And I already told you, in real case we are having only two things. Either you can come from left hand side, or you can come from right hand side. But in higher dimension, that is if you are talking in R2 R3, then you have to see that at this point you have to go from any way, by any curve you can see. That will be doing in SYBSC. That is quite much easier than this. Okay, is that clear that this is the function is not differentiable at 0? Why? Because limit does not exist. This value does not exist only. Why this does not exist? Because when I'm coming from zero positive side, then I'm getting answer 1. When I'm coming from negative side, the answer is -1. When do we say limit exist? When both left side and right side limit both should exist. Is that clear? Yeah, is that clear to you? Take some time, think about it properly, whether it is clear that differentiability का definition तुमको समझा क्या है. So it is slope of tangent, and why this is slope of tangent. If you are going x towards e, so it is around वो क्या आएगा, it will be just touching at that point. Shall we go ahead? Now can you write the definition, epsilon delta definition? So let us write the definition now. Let definition. Let J be an interval and C belongs to J. Okay, let f from J to R, let f is a function from, then f is said to be differentiable at C if there exists alpha such that limit extending to C f of x minus f of C upon x minus C that is equal to alpha. That means in particular ये limit exist होना चाहिए, ये अल्फा कुछ भी I don't care, and वो अल्फा को we used to say that f dash of C. Is that clear? And this alpha, we call this alpha as f dash of C. This is simple definition of differentiability. When do we say a function is differentiable? ये limit exist होना चाहिए, there should exist an alpha such that this is equal to alpha, and we call this alpha as f dash of C. Okay. Now can you write epsilon delta definition? अभी limit of कुछ भी हो, I don't care. I know what is epsilon delta for limit. Do you remember? Suppose limit extending to C f of x equal to L है, तो इसका epsilon delta definition क्या था, याद है तुमको? Recall. For all epsilon positive, there exists delta positive such that mod of x minus C less than delta. This should imply what? Mod of f of x minus L, that must be less than epsilon. Do you remember this thing? Yes? Now can you write the definition of differentiability? C, f is said to be differentiable at C if there exists alpha belongs to R such that, what is the condition, what should I write? For all epsilon positive, there should exist a delta positive such that mod of x minus c that must be less than delta. It should imply what? What is the limit? Limit का value क्या है? ये है ना? So at the place of f of x I am having this. That means it should be f of x minus f of c upon x minus c minus alpha. That must be less than epsilon. That's it. Correct? इसको चाहिए तो थोड़ा सा और सॉल्व कर सकते हो, और यू कैन राइट इट एज, ये मल्टीप्लाई किया मॉड एक्स माइनस सी को सबसे, तो इट विल बी मॉड ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस एफ ऑफ सी माइनस अल्फा इंटू एक्स माइनस सी, दैट इज लेस देन एप्सिलॉन इंटू एक्स माइनस सी. Whatever you like, either this one or this one. This one is standard one, so it is nice to see that. Is that clear? मतलब ये डेफिनेशन याद है कि नहीं पहले तुम लोग को, ये बताओ मुझे. लिमिट का डेफिनेशन, how do you write limit extending to c f of x equal to L? How do you write that? For all epsilon positive, there exists delta positive such that mod of x minus c that is less than delta mod of f of x. And I have told you graphically इसका meaning क्या है, so I am not going to see this again. I have told you what is graphically. What do you mean by the limit of the function? There will be your c, you will be having a delta neighborhood for this, and there will be your f of c, there will be an epsilon neighborhood, so you will be packed in a rectangle. What is your question? You want function ka value should be inside this. That's it. That is the simple definition of differentiability. Yeah, is that okay? Okay. So I have some time. So let us give some example. Differentiability का definition मिल गया. That is, this limit should exist and that should be equal to alpha. What else we are supposed to do some example. So to solve any example, say, let us do the first thing. Check whether it is differentiable or not. Say f of x equal to a constant, or say f of x equal to k. What do you know whether it is differentiable or not? And actually differentiability on an interval क्या रहेगा? If f, say, from j to r is differentiable, where j is an interval. Differentiable for all c belongs to j, then f is said to be differentiable on the interval j, on j. अभी एक पॉइंट पे डिफाइन किया था पहले मैंने. नाउ लेट अस डिफाइन एट दैट इंटरवल, so that means it should be differential for everyone in that. So f of x equal to k, how do you check whether it is differentiable or not? K is any fixed point, f from r to r, f of x equal to k. So how will you say? So you would like to check differentiability of that. So let p belongs to r, p be any point जिस पे मुझे differentiability check करना है, correct? Let p be any arbitrary point. Now P is a point for you. So what you have to calculate? Either you use first principle, जो भी तुमको अच्छा लगे. फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है क्योंकि लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू ज़ीरो होता है वहाँ पे. Correct? So this is your P. What you have to find? What is the first principle formula? Limit h tending to 0 f of p plus h minus f of p upon h. But what do you see? This is limit h tending to 0 f of p plus h. रखो f of p, for everyone it is k, so it is k minus k upon h, that is 0. That's it. So this limit exists, do you see? And I have taken this p arbitrarily, that is I am not particularly taking a point. So take any real number, this limit is 0. So what will you say? What will you say if you this limit exists? That means if this limit exists, that means your function is differentiable. Correct? Now agar same question, see here I am talking about find the derivative, whether it is differentiable or not, you have to check that. Now suppose यही अगर तुमको एप्सिलॉन डेल्टा से प्रूफ करना होता तो क्या करते? Same thing, you would consider this for all epsilon positive to find that. So for all epsilon positive, you have to find delta such that delta is satisfying this, such that mod of f of x minus p minus 0, that is less than epsilon. This is what you want to prove here. स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है? हाँ, just एक sec. Okay. Just one. So what you have to find, ये दिया है mod of x minus p is less than delta. What you have to consider this part, you have to prove this is less than epsilon. So consider mod of f of what happened? Consider mod of f of x minus of f of p upon x minus p. Just 1 second. That is quite clear. See, f of x का value is constant, f of p का value भी constant है. So numerator is 0, so everything is 0. So 0 is always 0 and that is less than, I have to prove epsilon, but I am already taking my epsilon is positive number. So your 0 is less than that epsilon, so that is trivial. That is true for any delta actually. You don't have to give any particular delta. You see, if you consider this, then you see that f of x minus f of p upon x minus p minus 0, that is again 0, which is always less than epsilon because you are taking your epsilon is positive number. So you can take any delta, you don't have to struggle for your delta. This suggests we can choose any delta positive. Correct? Because delta से depend ही नहीं कर रहा है ये बंदा. This is coming as 0. Correct? And 0 is always less than epsilon because I am taking my epsilon positive, so I don't have to struggle. So hence proved. Hence function is differentiable at 0. Hence function is differentiable at p, and p was any point, any arbitrary any point. So f is differentiable and derivative का value क्या है? 0 है. This is the value for derivative. That's it. Okay then, so please go through the definition of differentiability. See what is the definition and graphically meaning क्या है इसका, because ग्राफ देख के भी तुमको समझना चाहिए whether it is differentiable or not. See continuity हम लोग डायरेक्ट बता देते हैं ना कि ये continuous है कि नहीं. There is a break in between, so it is not continuous function. Similarly, now we are at the stage that we can see that whether it is differential or not. If you are having any edge here, so it is not differentiable at this point. For continuity, it should be freehand drawing, you can say. And for differentiability, you should see there should not be any edge in the graph. Okay. We'll do some properties in next class. Thank you so much everyone. Bye, take care.